If a company does not address the end of XP support issues now, some of the things that they may run into in the future are going to be largely related to, one, obtaining support from Microsoft, two, obtaining support from their original equipment manufacturer, system integrator, just in being able to source those licenses and legally apply it to the system. Other things that they may run into over time are going to be just, again, application compatibility, as well as the lack of security updates moving forward.
Trying to make legacy software work or trying to find suitable replacements is generally a pretty daunting task.
An upgrade to Windows 7 or even Windows 8 is largely going to be driven by hardware characteristics of the platform, as well as application intercompatibility. Without those two things, it's going to be nearly impossible to upgrade. Microsoft provides upgrade tools and kits that will analyze your system and make a determination on whether it's possible to upgrade given your hardware platform as well as your application list.
I've worked with companies that have some very expensive machinery and equipment that was built around XP that cannot and will never work with 7, and that presents itself as a pretty big hurdle, but it's still just delaying the inevitable to not upgrade. The only real option for continuing to use XP is to seek out an embedded solution.
There are some restrictions. It's not for the general consumer, and it's largely going to be licensed for industrial and embedded applications requiring longer life cycle.
The main drawback of an embedded system is, despite the longer life cycle, you're still using an outdated operating system. Any steps towards continuing to use XP is a step in the wrong direction.
So workarounds for XP are just that. They're workarounds. They're a band-aid fix, temporary in nature, really designed at the absolute limit to provide the customer more time to plan their migration strategy away from Windows XP to Windows 7 or a newer operating system. One of the things that is probably good to keep in mind is that the operating system is going to change. So in terms of application design, it's recommended keep it modular, keep it open wherever possible to allow portability from one operating system to the next. Wherever possible, don't tie it to specific files or kernel attributes of a particular operating system, but just design it to take advantage of features within the OS and move forward from there.